I did a video yesterday in which I declared that Wall Street was not built for you. It was not a part of the design to grow our country, to create a entity, a structure by which the wealthy from England, the J.P. Morgans and the Goldman and Sachs, that came over and said, we need to provide money from the wealthy to participate in the growth of the nation and to facilitate the growth in the nation. There's a wonderful movie on Netflix about J.P. Morgan and how they did this to build the railroads. And then you get also into the Mr. Goldman and Mr. Sachs and how they basically gave the very wealthy the means, the tools by which to grow the nation, but also to invest their money and grow their money. It was never meant that you and I would come in and participate in it. So there was never a product made designed for us. Again, the products that Wall Street makes is not so much to build wealth, it's to protect wealth, to perpetuate wealth, and to make sure you don't lose the wealth. So you will never hear any of them, Goldman Sachs or J.P. Morgan or even Bank of America, say this is the return that we gave our investors. No, what they give them is safe investment to perpetuate their wealth. So then we come around and we say, hey, we'd like to participate in this, and we'd like to grow our wealth like the big guys do. And they don't have a product for us. They don't. Oh, they have mutual funds and they have ETFs, but that's the big word there is diversification and achieve the average. They don't have a product that says this is a product that will give you access to growth stocks where you can get exponential growth in your assets, so that you can take your $50,000 and over a period of 20, 30 years, you can turn it into millions of dollars. They don't have a product like that because they can't afford to. Again, you're a burden. And they have a lot of expenses. You know, they have that 50-story glass building in downtown New York City, and then they have those little facilities all across the nation, and they've got their Lear jets that they got to fly to and from them, and they can't be bothered with you, okay? That all changed, though, about a year and a half ago, when Sam Altman said, here, I'm going to build this large language platform, and we're going to call it AI and ChatGPT. And I learned how to use it, and I built a prompt, and I want now to show you the product that I have built as a result of what I learned over the last year and a half that can be done with AI. So I'm calling the product Ask Samantha. Samantha is my AI agent. She's done some marvelous things with my portfolio over the last year and a half. And we'll get to that. But what I want you to do, I want you to experience Samantha. I want you to see what, once I get the app built on my website, what Ask Samantha is going to provide to those members of our tribe. It's going to be limited to those members of the Best of Us tribe. So what happened this morning, I get a message in Carrie's office on the Discord from Norman. And Norman says, Carrie, I've done some research on this stock. It is called XZO Group, ticker symbol XZO. I had never heard of it. And he says, I think it has some potential. I'd appreciate it if you would ask Samantha to review it and come back with her recommendations. So I said, hey, this is a perfect example of what Ask Samantha will look like in the future, except the answer will go directly to Norman. It had to come through me. So I entered the details. XZO is in the insurance business. They are actually an IPO of not so many months ago that is actually taking AI to bring AI into the insurance business, and it's a spin-off of a parent company. It has a market cap right now of $1.24 billion, and it is what they're calling AI delivery insurance automation stock, and they're already profitable. They're extremely profitable. So Samantha then gives me a 14-page document. This is it right here, and it goes into every detail about XZO. And when I say every detail, I mean it examines its income statement, its cash flow statement, its balance statement. It tells me that they grew their revenues by 62% last quarter. Their margins are at 49%. They had sales, net revenue of $55 million, and they brought 25 of that 55 to the bottom line in the form of profits. So they have 49% margins. I want you to get a copy of this, and so that you can say, okay, when I can ask Samantha, this is what I'm going to get. And I want you to be able to go through it page by page, all 14 pages, so that you have an understanding and you answer the question, what does XZO Group do? How good are they at it? And what does their future look like? Because what's going to happen, this is the delivery of AI. This is not the data centers. This is not the need for electricity and concrete and chips. This is using AI as it is, and it's using it by one company, the parent company of this organization. What is XZO going to do? They're going to sell this to every insurance company in the world, and they're leading the charge on it. Now, the other thing I want to give you is what I depend on. I'm not a big reader. I'm dyslexic, so I don't like to read. But what I like to do is listen to a podcast. So the next thing I did was I created a podcast where Samantha and Bard do an interchange and explain in layman's terms what's in this 14-page document. So I want to give you a link to the written document. I want to give you a link to the podcast so that you can answer the question, what does Best of Us Investors do? It builds a tool that Wall Street refuses to give you. It gives you the same thing they have in their glass towers that they call stock analysts, that they spend $40 billion a year on to get this kind of information so that they can control the growth of Wall Street, so that they can manage money for the wealthy so they don't lose money, so that they're okay with making 5, 10, 12% on their money on an annual basis. But that isn't going to do it for you. If you want to get wealthy, if you want to build wealth, you need to double your money every 3 years. And there are companies out there like XZO, ticker symbol XZO, that can give you that. But here's the kicker. You have never heard of XZO. And you will never hear of XZO until it achieves what it's going to achieve, until it revolutionizes the AI industry, much as Best of Us Investors is going to revolutionize the financial industry, because it's going to bring what the wealthy have had for 200 years to their disposal to protect their wealth. It's going to bring it to you. It's going to bring it to me. It's going to bring it to the bus driver who is scraping together so much a month so that she can support her family and maybe become wealthy. Well, if you can double your money every 3 years, you got a chance. But nobody makes that product until today. And that's what I'm having meetings with some of the hyperscalers and asking the question, how can you help me down the next step? I know how to build the app. I know how to put it on my website. Now I need the compute to take care of your demand. And you're going to be the person who's going to say to me, or no, you're going to say to Samantha, you're going to ask Samantha, give me a review of XZO, ticker symbol XZO. And you'll know, does it meet your criteria? Will it double in 3 years? Is this a big player? And what are the pitfalls that I need to look out for? And can I come back, and the answer to this question is yes, every quarter and get an update? Or can I come back anytime I read something about it and I need a translation or an interpretation? And can I come once a quarter and have you, Samantha, review my entire portfolio and tell me where I'm overexposed and where I'm underexposed and where I need to balance? Can I have access to the best knowledge in the world that Wall Street has refused to give me the last 200 years? Can I have that? Yes, you can. I want you to get this document. Go into the description, find the link. It'll put it right on your computer, and then hit the link, and it'll give you a recording of the podcast that'll explain it to you in entirety. And then come back to Best of Us Investors and sign up, because there's only going to be room for so many on this best, because everybody can't have this. If everybody has it, we have no edge. And that's what Wall Street has now. They have an edge. There's a reason that door is closed to you. We're going to open it. Some of us are going to get through. You need to be on the bus.